Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful star stitch step by step. Grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. We will get started with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot. And then we are going to make a foundation chain of an even number, which means the number of chains has to be a multiple of 2. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You can just make any number of chains as you want, but make sure that the number of chains is a multiple of 2. And then I'm going to make 4 more chains as the turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that we are going to start the first row. For that I'm going to skip the very first chain from the hook and insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, like this, and yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again go into the very next chain over here and yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. And go into the next chain, pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops. Again go into the next chain, pull up a loop. Now we have 5 loops. Again go into the next chain and pull up a loop. Now we have 6 loops on our hook. When you have 6 loops, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. And then yarn over and pull through the loop. After that I'm going to insert the hook into the eye-like space over here and pull up a loop. Again go into this loop over here and pull up a loop. Again go into the base stitch here and pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Again we need to go into the next 2 foundation chains and pull 2 loops up. 1 and 2. Again we have 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. And then yarn over and pull through the loop. Now this is what we need to continue doing up to the end of the foundation chain. I will show you once more. Go into the eye-like space over here. Pull up a loop. Go into this loop and pull up a loop. Go into this foundation chain. Pull up a loop. And then go into the very next chain. Pull up a loop. Go into the next chain and pull up a loop. Now we have 6 loops again. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Yarn over and pull through the loop to secure. And we can just continue the same pattern until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of the foundation chain. Again I'm going to go into this space here and pull up a loop. Again go into this loop and pull up a loop. Again go into the very last chain and pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the first row of the work, and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and we will turn the work, and on this row I'm going to go into these eye-like spaces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 eye-like spaces, and work 2 half double crochets into the same space. So we will go into the very first space over here and work 2 half double crochets. So yarn over, insert the hook into the space, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Again work another half double crochet into the very same space. Again we will go into the very next space here as well. This is the next eye-like space, and work 2 half double crochets into the same space. 1, and 2. Again go into the next space here and work another 2 half double crochets. 1 and 2. Again 2 half double crochets into this space as well. 1 and 2. Like that we will continue. This is the end of the row, and then I'm going to skip the very next stitch here and go into the stitch after that. That is going to be the loop on top of the stitch here, and insert the hook into that loop and work a single crochet. So yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. With that we have completed our second row as well. This is what it looks like. And we need to chain 3 to turn into the third row. This is what it looks like now. We have completed 1 row of stars here, and then we will continue to make the next row of stars. Here also we have to just repeat the same pattern as the first row. I will show you once more. Skip the first chain from the hook and go into the next chain and pull up a loop. Again go into the next chain here and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, and then I'm going to go into these 3 spaces as well. Go into the space here and pull up a loop. Again next space, again next space here. Now we have 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Now just the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Chain 1. Just like that we will continue until the end of this row as well. Now I'm at the end of the row. Again, I'm going to pull up a loop from this space. Again, go into this loop and pull up a loop. Again, go into the last stitch here and pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops again. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1 to secure, and then chain 2, turn the work. And this time also we are going to work 2 half double crochets into each one of these eye-like spaces. This is the first eye-like space. Work 2 half double crochets into each space. 1, 2. And again skip the next stitch and go into the very last loop here and work a single crochet. And then we need to just repeat the pattern over and over again until you get the desired length of the project. Once you are satisfied with the length, we can just chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this star stitch tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your crochet friends. See you in my next tutorial. Happy crocheting!